So I'm sure you've seen those carousel posts on Instagram, the ones that look like this, that scroll through different images, but they're seamless, where the design seems to have a beginning and an end with no stop in between. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create that easily in Canva with no extra apps. So let's go. Hey, I'm Kayla from Ivory Mix, and I'm here to help you grow your audience and impact and income online with better content and even better strategies. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So here we are on my Instagram account. This is one of my past carousel posts, and you'll see with a carousel post, you can slide through different images, but in particular, this carousel post has a cover image and the second image seamlessly go together. You can see that this phone seems as though it's on both images. And I created this in Canva using our Ivory Mix stock photos and Canva together. And so what I want to do is show you how I did that. And ultimately how you can do that and design your own style of Canva carousel templates. So here we are in Canva. You want to come over to create design, and I'm going to start with an Instagram post. So this is going to be a blank canvas, and what I want to do is add at least 2 canvases. So if I expand this bottom to show the 2 canvases, you can see those together, or if I click here, you can see those 2 canvases together. So what we want to do is create that seamless effect by connecting this first canvas with the second one. And you can do that with anything from images to illustrations to text. So what I will do now is I will start with a background color, and I will just start with this peach color that's in my brand palette, and I will go ahead and click change all so that all of the backgrounds in my carousel are the same color. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a frame, and if we look here, this has like a little wavy line to it on this example, and this has a wavy line as well. And what I did there was not a frame, I used an illustration. So first, what I will do is go to Elements and search up wavy. And you can see here is this free little wavy illustration, so I will turn that to the side and scale it up. And then what I will do is I will make it match my background color. Or maybe I will make it a little bit lighter. There we go. Let's do that for now. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a picture underneath. And I will start first with a frame. So I will just go ahead and add this grid and resize the grid to be somewhat smaller. And then I will right click and hit send to back. So now it's behind this wavy thing. So now I'm going to change this back to the peach color so that it looks like my background color. Okay, so now I need to drop a stock photo into this, and I want one that has a phone on it. So I'm going to go to Ivory Mix stock photos and grab a phone mockup. So here's 3 different stock photos from Ivory Mix with phones on them. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this one and place it into the frame, and I'm going to line it up to about the middle of that photo. And so I can sort of see where it's cut off. So what I want to do is line up where it's cut off over here as well. I want to put the same waving and the same photo on the second canvas. So I will go ahead and grab this and hit copy and right click and hit paste, and it pasted it in the same location. So what I want to do is slide it over to the other side, and I want to line it up. I want to put a line right here through the phone. I want to line it up over here. And so I'm going to line it up like that. And that's about the same placement. So now when someone's looking at it on Instagram, it will appear seamless. Now you can do this same thing with an illustration as well. And so I will do that on the next slide. So let's go ahead and add another page and let's choose an illustration. You can find any illustration under Elements. So I pulled up this emoji and I'm going to go ahead and put it here, and I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to go ahead and copy it again and paste it on this one. Now again, this is a little trickier because I could just drag it, but I might move it up and down and it won't line up exactly. So that's where we want to utilize rulers. You'll go up here to File, and you'll click on Show Rulers with the check mark, okay? Show Rulers, and you want to make sure that Guides is clicked as well. Then you will click on this ruler holding down your left mouse button, and you will start dragging the ruler over. And actually, I don't want this side ruler, I want the top ruler. And so I want to line it up with the bottom of this emoji, right? So that when I slide it over, I can line it up on that ruler. So I'm aligning it with the center of the emoji, and now if I look, it's now seamlessly running between this slide and this slide. So now that I've got my images and my illustrations in place, I can start placing text on my graphic. Now with carousel posts, you can also create text across the different canvases as well. So I will go ahead and do that. Okay, now that I've added all of the text, I can take a look and you can see that it says how to create a seamless carousel on Canva, watch the tutorial. So I want to make sure that this is visually appealing, and so I should go ahead and add an arrow to the video. Okay, so I've added the arrow and a little mock-up of the video. I'll probably want to add some more text here. So actually I realized what I want to do is I want to add this wavy to this other page as well. So I'll go ahead and paste that there and send this to the back right in front. And then the only other thing that I probably will want to do is add a phone mock-up on the stock photo. So I'll go ahead and copy this phone and paste it right here over the phone, and then move this ruler to right under the phone. That way I can place it on this other canvas and slide it over to make sure that I've got this lined up correctly. Let's take a look. And it looks like it's all lined up correctly. So now all I need to do is download this into my phone and upload it into Canva as a carousel. So if you're ready to create carousels, I showed you everything you need to be able to create your own carousels. However, if you're looking to save time, make sure you come to Ivory Mix and look at our Instagram templates. We have many carousel templates ready for you, and when you're a member of Ivory Mix, they are included free, just like this set of carousel posts here that you see. This set of carousel posts comes with a few different Canva templates so that you have a starting point for multiple different carousel styles. You can get those at ivorymix.com. So here we are on my phone. I just go ahead and hit the download, hit save as, and download as a PNG. And it's going to download this Canva document to my camera. So now when I want to go to Instagram, I can go over here to post, and I will tap on the multiple, and I will click all three of these design and go to the next. And you can see now that I'm starting to create this carousel inside of my Instagram post. And if I go next, it's ready for me to post. All I have to do is add a caption. So now that you know more, I have one last tip for you, and that is you can get your hands on free Canva templates and exclusive stock photos, plus more strategies exclusive to the Ivory Mix community, and it's completely free. There's up to 500 resources there for you, and you can get a link to it below this video. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a like and sharing it with your fellow content creators, and let me know what your favorite part was. If you do share it to Instagram stories, be sure to tag me so that I see it, because I may just feature you in my Instagram stories as well.